Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add logo carousel in Elementor WordPress website. So first of all, let me go here and click on edit with Elementor, and you don't need to install any extra plugin to design logo slider. So just you can go here and click on plus button. Then let me add one column container. So now let me go here and search for image carousel. So you can drag it here, and now here I have few logos. So just you can go here and upload logo images. So let me select these. You can press Control button and then you can select these images. So I'm trying to add one more image. So for now let me use this one just for demo, and then insert gallery. So now I have these 5 images, and then scroll down and let me select this one 5, and then slide to scroll 1. So after that let me remove this and then go to style tab. So you can adjust the alignment, then go to advanced tab, scroll down, and after that let me add here id, for example brand. Then scroll down and here you can add custom css. So let me show you. You can use meta.ai platform, and here you can go, then click on new conservation, and then you can type this one grayscale filter and opacity effect, then you will get this code. So after that here you can see this one is id number and this is complete code. So let me copy it and go back here and add this code. So now here you can see effect is added. Now let me click on publish button, and then now let's see final result. So here you can see this one is working fine.